Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. Please kindly subscribe and be a part of this platform. In today's video, I'm going to take you step by step on how to make a delicious Nigerian okra and ogbono soup. Tripe. Let's get started. It's properly washed. Gonna add some onions, salt and bouillon. Then I'll add water and start cooking. I'll cover the pot and let it cook while I prepare the other ingredients. So we're going to blend the pepper, crayfish, for every Nigerian soup you need crayfish. So here I have this nut. It is called ogbono. It's for soup. You can cook it alone or you add it to okra. It enhances the quality of okra and makes it richer. It draws like okra, but it is a nut. You can make okra vegetable where you use only okra for the soup. But for this particular soup, I'm going to add ogbono. I'm blending everything together. So I'm going to add water. Then we blend. So look at the meat. At this point, we are going to add some oil. Then allow the oil to cook for some minutes before adding the other ingredients. It's time to add our blended ogbono and the crayfish, pepper. We're going to let the ogbono cook for 20 minutes. Okay, it has to be cooked properly before you add the okra. Okay, so let's check the soup. Look at that beautiful soup. It's delicious. Don't overcook your meat too. I have my mind is there. Okay, so I'm going to add our washed fish chunks. It's soft, okay? That is why I'm adding it now. If you are using a hard fish, you have to put it before now, okay? So yeah. So here we have our okra. Chopped okra. So the only thing that is remaining is our vegetable. It's tasting so good. I've tasted it and it tastes delicious. Okay, so I'm going to cover it and let it simmer before I add the vegetable. So let's check the soup. Today we are cooking okra and ogbono soup. Okay, in this kind of okra soup, you add a slimy nut. Okay, you are not cooking okra alone. Our soup is delicious. I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is our vegetable. I'm using collard green. You can compare collard green to Nigerian cocoa leaf. All right. So if you want to make your okra richer, you add ogbono. Okay. Gonna cover this pot and let the vegetable cook, and then we are done. Let's check the soup. Look at our beautiful soup. I have to turn off the stove at this point, okay, so that the heat will finish the cooking. So we've come to the end of the video. Our soup is ready. I hope you learned something today. Now it is time to dish it out. So look at our soup. It is ready. Today we prepared ogbono and okra soup. All right, this is Nigerian ogbono and okra soup. But our food will not be ready without our fufu. So we use soup to eat fufu. All right, so here is our fufu. We are using gari. You can use Quaker oats. You can use wheat. So we've come to the end of this video. All right, look at our soup. I want you to share this video, watch and learn. Please subscribe, share, and I will see you once again in my next video. Bye and God bless you.